Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the video, and today we're going to be using a Sony a6300 and Sigma 30mm. So here are the shots. So basically all my shots are done on my belly, on my stomach part, so that I don't bother reaching for my camera and use my monitor and even my viewfinder just to get one shot. So here I am, still walking in the along the national highway. So these are the usual spot that I usually doing my photo walk, because there are tons of subject and tons of people that I can probably took as part of my composition. And this is the newly opened convenience store here in my hometown. And I guess the difference between doing photo walk in the morning is you have a fewer people and also a fewer vehicle, and that's a good thing compared to the afternoon and usually during night time. So that's what I'm trying to master myself in getting shots in a low light situation. And this is the famous restaurant here in our province. And yeah, so probably most of the tricycle drivers here familiar already with my face, because I usually walk down here. And yeah, so the usual thing is I usually don't get myself I mean I in this specific spot I don't usually try to compose most of my shot, because here is a private property. And of course I don't want any confrontations around this area. And you can see the garbage. And it's a good day because of we already have a sunrise happen here. I think it's around 7 a.m. and most of the establishment here are closed, still closed. So that's a good thing. And it's a Sunday morning, so most of the people are on their day off, or probably at around 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. they usually open the establishment. So that's where the most of the establishments are open around here. And on this one I was having a second thought if I'm going to do a low angle shot and then probably frame something inside the triangle. But it's kind of dangerous, because you know there are tons of vehicles coming in, and most of the time if I'm going to do that, it's going to be my blind side. Even though it's on the left side, you'll probably get hit by a vehicle. So most of the time it will be a tricycle. So that's a one challenge that I usually encounter during a photo walk is, of course, you have to keep yourself safe all the time. And as much as possible I don't want to get any attention from the locals, as in, the technique here that I'm doing is I'm holding the camera just below my chest, and I am ready with my finger and it's placed in the shutter button. So with this one I took a shot here, and as you can see I did a leveling here. And also I see grandpa here. I just like his shoes, so I took my shot here. And yep, that's just a shot between my belly. So I guess that's one of the money shot that I have on this. Then I proceed to this also the gasoline station. And something caught my attention here is the so let me check. So I was trying to capture the three gentlemen on the left side, so that's what I'm planning to do, but I failed. So what I did here, yep, I see the L200 van, and did a took a shot here. So as you can see, my hand just placed into the shutter button, and not that perfect, but it's all good. So this one, I was on the other side of the national highway, and I see the vendors here. So these are the vendors that usually go into the bus and sell some stuff. And yep, having a second thought if I'm going to take a shot, and I did. So here it is. Oh wow, but still, that's a good framing, of course, and I guess that's one of the money shot as well. So then I proceed and walk to and continue walking. And then in this one I took a shot as well, and bam, there you go. Not the perfect frame, not a good composition, but still I managed to capture that one up close. And then let's proceed. So here are the jeepney terminals. So I'm trying to avoid shooting passengers here, even though we are in the public market. So right now, as you can see on the right side, most of the people that are coming in are headed to the supermarket. And then yep, I see the woman here, and I got the leading lines with my shadow, and also yep, took another shot. Okay, guess this is success. Whew. That's it, guys.